Hello. On behalf of the Engineering Student Center, welcome to the College of Engineering. This building is where you'll spend much of your time in the coming years. You will make lifelong friends, learn many valuable skills, and become part of the engineering community. We will work hard to ensure that you have the tools necessary to succeed. We hope that you are looking forward to this new, exciting chapter in your life. We are looking forward to having you join our college and being part of your engineering education, but understand that you may not know exactly what to expect once you get here. That is where we come in. First-year engineers take a common suite of classes. This ensures that you will have the basic knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in your program once you get there. You may already know that you want to be a mechanical engineer or environmental engineer, but don't worry, if you're not yet sure which program is for you, there will be many opportunities, including our program information night, typically in March, to find the right fit. To help you succeed in first year, we highly recommend that you take advantage of some of the supports that we offer. For example, we offer facilitated study sessions at which you can work on your assignments with upper year students available to help explain concepts when necessary. Our students love this resource so much that we are adding an additional session per week. It is the best. If you want guidance in finding or using any of these resources, one of the best ways to do so is to see one of our academic advisors. We would love to meet you and answer any questions that you may have. You will have a lot of information thrown at you over the next few months, and your advisor can help you make sense of it all. You can book an advising appointment in one of three ways: in person, online, or by phone. To book online, go to engineering.usask.ca and click on Schedule and Advising Appointments. Once you log in with your NSID and password, you will be prompted to enter all of the necessary information. Aside from academic advising, another excellent resource for first-year engineers are our learning communities. A learning community is a group of first-year students who take a common set of courses together and meet weekly with successful upper-year university students or peer mentors. Learning communities are an excellent way to meet other first-year students in your program, to form a study group, discover key services and people on campus, and to improve your study skills. If you register in a learning community, you will automatically be registered for your Term 1, September to December classes. You will still need to register for Term 2, January to April classes. If you choose not to register in a learning community, you will need to register for both terms. Registration can be intimidating, but we have many resources, including this video, to help you out. For more detailed instructions and for help on the day of, head to our registration guide online at engineering.usask.ca. These are examples of our pre-organized schedules for Term 1. You will choose courses and labs from one of the pre-organized schedules, but you cannot pick and choose courses from separate colors or blocks. For example, you can't choose GE 124 from the green block and then Chem 114 from the red block. To register, go to pause.usask.ca and enter your NSID and password. Click on the Academics tab, then Registration, and Add Drop Classes. Select the term that you plan to register for. Again, if you are in a learning community, you will only need to choose the winter term. If you are not in a learning community, you will first choose fall term, register in your fall term courses, and then go back and follow the same instructions for the winter term. Once you select a term, you should see this registration page. Enter in the 5-number CRNs, class registration numbers, for each class and lab, and then hit Submit. Your page should look something like this before hitting Submit. As an example, we've included the CRN entered for Math 123 and the corresponding lab CRN. That is it for now. Now, it's time to practice up for the math placement test, which you will need to complete before the first day of classes. It is beneficial to take this as far in advance as possible to ensure that you have the time to brush up on your basic math skills if necessary. If you score below 60% on the math placement test, don't panic. We recommend booking an appointment with an advisor to discuss the options available to ensure that you are ready for your first year calculus courses. Our first piece of advice is, when you get here, head to orientation. We have a fun-filled week planned for all incoming engineering students to help you get, well, oriented. Feel free to contact the Engineering Student Center anytime. We are here to support you through this new and exciting endeavor.